E como mai to 2-minute language lessons, the fun and easy way to teach your children or grandchildren common words and phrases in Spanish, French, German, and Hawaiian while they're young and language learning is easy for them. Today, I'm filming our lesson from the North Shore of Oahu. In this lesson, we'll learn how to say napkin in Hawaiian. One way to say napkin in Hawaiian is Kāwele. The micron over the A is called a kahako in Hawaiian, and it indicates that the vowel that it's over is stressed or held longer than it would be without it. So we say Kāwele, not Kāwele. Say it slowly after me. Kāwele. Now say it a bit faster. Kāwele. Today's assignment is to say Kāwele to your child at least 3 times. When you're setting or clearing the table, say the word Kāwele every time you touch a napkin. And those of you that learned Aya Ihea in our other lesson can ask Aya Ihea ke Kāwele and have your child point out the napkin. Be sure to say mai ka'i when they get it right. If you like interacting with your child or grandchild in multiple languages by playing simple language games with them, please subscribe to my channel. By spending just 2 minutes each day learning one new word in one new language, you'll soon be speaking with your children in Spanish, French, German, and Hawaiian. And check out some of my other videos on parenting tips, such as dealing with picky eaters, based on my years of experience as a family physician. Mahalo.